Hi again, it's Danielle from Penn Wynne Library, and it's October 11th, which is Indigenous Peoples Day. So I wanted to do a quick video to show you a traditional toy that you could make used by Lenape children. And the Lenape tribe is the traditional tribe for our area here in Pennsylvania. All you need is a stick, a piece of rope, and something to make a hoop with. I used a pipe cleaner. I used two just to twirl it around and make it different colors, but you can use one if you only have one. And that's it, these three simple things. You take the stick, make the rope about 1 foot long, tie one end to the stick, tie the other end to your hoop, and try to get the hoop on the stick. Oh, second try, I got it. So I would like to thank Barbara Blue Jay Mikowski from the Tribal Council of the Lenape Nation of Pennsylvania for sending me the instructions to make this traditional toy. I will have printed out instructions in the library should you need to come in and get a printed out copy for yourself. Thanks. Bye for now.